Most people get frustrated when their Albert app limit stays low. They assume it is random or impossible to change. But here's the truth no one tells you. Your Albert limit is not fixed. It is built from your financial behavior, and it can increase over time if you know what actually affects it. In this video, you will learn exactly how to increase your Albert app cash advance limit in 2026. What factors matter the most, and the simple steps that can help you unlock higher amounts safely and consistently. Let's start with the basics. Albert does not give everyone the same limit. It uses an automated system that looks at your income, spending habits, and banking activity. So if your limit is low right now, it is not permanent. It is just a reflection of your current financial profile. Now here's where it gets interesting. The system is designed to increase your limit only when it trusts your financial stability. So let's break down exactly what increases that trust. The first factor is consistent income. If Albert sees regular direct deposits from your job or steady income source, it is more likely to increase your limit over time. For example, someone like Jake who gets paid every 2 weeks will usually build a stronger profile than someone with irregular deposits. The second factor is account activity. Albert tracks how often you use your connected bank account. If you are actively using your account for everyday expenses like groceries, bills, and transport, it helps the system understand your cash flow better. But here's the problem. Many users make the mistake of not connecting enough financial activity. That slows down any potential limit increase. The third factor is repayment behavior. If you have used Albert cash advances before and repaid them on time, that builds trust quickly. Think of it like a credit history inside the app. On-time repayment signals that you are low risk. Now let's talk about something most people miss. Your limit does not increase instantly after one good action. Albert updates your profile gradually. So if Alex improves his income stability today, it may take a few weeks, or even a few cycles before he sees a higher limit. Patience is part of the system. Now here's a practical step-by-step way to improve your limit faster. First, make sure your main bank account is properly linked and active. Second, ensure your income is consistently deposited into that account. Third, use the app regularly, so it can track real spending behavior. Fourth, always repay any cash advances on time without delays. Now here's where most people fail. They try to increase their limit by repeatedly requesting advances or refreshing the app. That does nothing. The system does not respond to pressure. It responds to financial stability. Another important point is subscription usage. If you use Albert's Genius features, it can help improve your financial profile indirectly by showing consistent engagement, but it is not a direct shortcut to higher limits. So, let's make this simple. If you want a higher Albert limit in 2026, you need 3 things: stable income, consistent account activity, and responsible repayment behavior. That is the real formula behind limit increases. Now let's quickly clear a common myth. There is no manual way to instantly unlock a higher limit by contacting support or changing settings. Everything is automated and based on data. To wrap it up, increasing your Albert app limit is not about tricks. It is about building a stronger financial profile over time. The more stable and predictable your money behavior looks, the higher your limit can go. If this helped you understand how Albert limits really work, like the video, comment your current limit experience, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of finance apps that actually help you make better money decisions.